Today we're here at Kampung Serendah. We're learning together with the mothers and the women in here to make a pad with simple hand stitching. It's very exciting because we get to learn together and learn how to make the pad from scratch.
Saya rasa seronok lah sebab saya dapat belajar menjahit. Perasaan tu sangat happy sebab kita belajar benda baru kan. Saya rasa best lah.
Perasaan saya sangat teruja sebab sebelum ni saya tak pandai pun menjahit. Saya datang kelas ni, saya dapat belajar menjahit sisi LaunchPad ni. Nanti saya akan buat dekat rumah.
I learned about their culture and also I get to play with the kids as well and teach them on how to speak English a little bit and communicate together with them.
My highlight for today is the satisfying feeling that you get when all the mothers are like, oh my god, this is so easy. And I think that it was very fun to know that they could do it by themselves as well and to learn that the community is very much fun when you do it together.